Today we will be discussing about a very controversial topic, that is hymenoplasty. Hymenoplasty is a procedure which is also known as a revirginization surgery or hymenoplasty. I am Dr. Sunish Goyal. I am a board certified cosmetic surgeon practicing in Jaipur at Lavanya Laser and Plastic Surgery. Hymenoplasty एक प्रोसीजर है which is considered to be very controversial. सबसे पहले ये जानना जरूरी है कि what is hymen. Hymen is a membrane-like structure just outside of any female's vagina. And what is the importance of hymen? In Indian culture, intact hymen is known as a साइन ऑफ प्योरिटी और साइन ऑफ वर्जिनिटी इन ए फीमेल, क्योंकि ये माना जाता है कि हाइमन रप्चर तभी होती है जब कोई भी फीमेल अपना फर्स्ट सेक्सुअल कांटेक्ट करती है, उस टाइम ये हाइमन रप्चर होती है और ये बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रप्चर देयर इज सम ब्लीडिंग. लेकिन आज जब फीमेल्स इतना एडवांस हो गई हैं, दे आर गोइंग टू स्पेस, दे आर वर्किंग विद मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज, दे आर डूइंग गुड इन ओलंपिक्स और इवन एशियाड और sports activity. So this hymen rupture is very common in athletes, gymnasts, or even those who are doing horse riding, cycling, and even some trauma can cause hymen rupture. And in some patients, this hymen is absent from birth. So now it is not considered as a sign of virginity or sign of purity. And the important thing is that having a sexual contact before marriage is now it's not considered as unethical. If that both partners are ready and they are giving consent for this, then this should not be unlawful. You cannot judge any female's purity or virginity if that female is having a intact hymen or ruptured hymen. But what happens when a female is getting married? Again, she is very conscious about इंटेक्ट हाइमन, क्योंकि इंडियन कल्चर में अभी भी ये माना जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ सम पीयर प्रेशर और सम कल्चरल aspect that at the time of marriage hymen should remain intact. And अभी भी कुछ communities ऐसे हैं जहाँ पर कुछ टेस्ट किए जाते हैं to know the virginity of a female. In some community it is known as कुकड़ी रस्म. कुकड़ी रस्म में क्या होता है कि on the first night or golden night, सास या mother-in-law, she use a white color bed sheet on the bed, and in morning she checks if there's bleeding or there's a red spot on the bed sheet or not, is there or not. So if there's no blood spot on the bed sheet, then sometimes it becomes very weird situation. Sometimes they plan for divorce of their son, or even sometimes they demand some money from their in-laws. So still because of this cultural religious reason, female are going for hymenoplasty. So what is the indication of hymenoplasty? The most important thing is to self-confidence. Then to sometime they just wanted to bury their past, or if it is considered as a gift to their would-be husband, or in some time, and in some patient and some female, they just want to give a gift to their husband on their second honeymoon. Like if they are planning a second honeymoon after 15 years, so just to have some fun in their life or to change their life, they go for a hymenoplasty. But this type of cases is they are very rare. Hymenoplasty कैसे की जाती है? It is a very safe procedure. At our center, we do hymenoplasty under local anesthesia, and the most important thing at our center is that we maintain confidentiality we give total privacy to the patient. We never reveal the identity of the patient. So from all over the India, patient come to us for hymenoplasty. This is the surgery which can be done under local anesthesia. It's not a painless. It is not a painful surgery. We give position to the female in operation theatre, and we inject local anesthesia, and your privacy is totally maintained, because in operation theatre we are the only 3% which remains there inside the OT. Myself, who is the operating surgeon, my female assistant, and one more female assistant is there to help you. So we refreshen all the tags on your hymen, ruptured hymen. Then we use absorbable suture to repair your hymen, just to allow the tip of the little finger. So and this we do in 2 layers. हम लोग hymenoplasty हमारे सेंटर पे हमेशा 2 लेयर में करते हैं. One layer is inside, one is outside, and in some cases we use laser hymenoplasty as well. So laser hymenoplasty is totally bloodless procedure, and after the procedure you can go home the same day. We just keep you at our center for 2 hours just to observe you, so that you don't have any problem after the procedure. And as we are doing very confidently this surgery, we are doing a lot of hymenoplasty surgery. हम लोग ये कहते हैं कि आपको ऐसा कुछ restrictions नहीं है after the surgery. Just you have to avoid squatting और ऐसी कोई भी position जिसमें आपके your legs are apart. And definitely you have to avoid sexual activity for next 4 to 6 weeks. This is the time when your ruptured hymen get healed. So this is a surgery which is usually done around 6 to 8 weeks before your marriage. After this procedure, you become more confident. You have a confidence that no one can blame you that you are not a virgin or you are having sexual contact before. It is a total scarless surgery. It is a painless surgery, but you have to take precaution after the surgery. You maintain your hygiene of your private parts and avoid some position like squat position, and avoid sexual activity. After this surgery, you are having a lot of confidence. You regain your self-esteem. To get a hymenoplasty done should be a very personal approach. If you want to get it done to gain your self-confidence or self-esteem, then definitely you should go for it, but not under any pressure. Thank you and stay beautiful.